Hi. We know that you all were waiting for this thing to happen here in Singapore or in Southeast Asia, which is about the IB coaching program, tutoring program with the TestprepKart. TestprepKart has evolved and established a very robust system for the coaching or tutoring of IB subjects like physics, chemistry, math, biology, and English, right? So this is both for HL and SL. For math, it is both for AI and A, right? What do we mean by a robust ecosystem for IB, right? And when I'm talking about the robust ecosystem for IB, it means I'm talking about all subjects: physics, chemistry, math, biology, and English, right? We basically have developed three levels of questions: easy, intermediate, and advanced for all these subjects of physics, chemistry, math, biology, and English for HLSL for IB, right? Now, over the period of time, ever since we started teaching the students for IB, what we realized, let me tell this to you. There is one part that is known as theory. When the theory is translated into the concept, that is another part. And the most important part is what? Which is known as problem solving application or abilities. The students who are basically in the IB coaching, they are really good at theories and concept, but the part which is most important, they try to skip, which is known as problem solving application. It means if I have done a chapter of functions in mathematics for HL, I have learned the theories. I also translated, with my understanding, functions into concept. But wherever it comes that I have to practice a diverse variety of question of different level of difficulty for IB, I try to skip that, or I do a limited amount of questions. This restricts your ability. So by telling you about this robust ecosystem, it is what that we have created a compulsive system where you will have to go through this cycle. I mean, once you have done a chapter with us, you also need to go certain amount of question so that your problem solving application is honed, aroused, and it becomes very strong. And that marks your success in IB coaching program. If you don't follow this method, it means you are not doing it for IB, right? Taking a coaching in a minnow way just to solve some question, doing it only for examinations. Of course, we all do it for examination because that gives you result in black and white. But doing everything for the knowledge, right? That basically the thing, that basically the pedagogy that you follow here with the TestprepKart, right? There is a certain amount of question that you practice with the TestprepKart for physics, chemistry, math, and biology. These are of different level of difficulty, at least of 1, 2, and 3. And these would also be involving practice of the question which are from the for the same topic for last many years papers, right? So that you are well aware of the construct and design of the question, okay, so that you don't come across an ugly surprise when you are sitting in the real test, right? You basically, I mean, if you are sitting in the real test, having done the TestprepKart course, it means that test is just a replica of the test that you do with us on camera in presence of invigilator, right? There is an equal balance between theory concept and practicing the question and the doubt removal sessions. So this is the pedagogy of IB, right? Along with the course book, along with the text material, with the best of the teachers who are very well qualified and at least 6 to 7 years of experience teaching for IB, right? They try to create a substantial learning ability in you. That's the most important thing about the TestprepKart IB coaching pedagogy. This is what we follow, and this is the reason that most of the students, they are getting very good grades. That is it. Examination, basically preparing for an IB examination, it has got some ingredients, right, which we have been telling. I mean, first of all, understand the topic. After understanding the topic, do the mapping of the chapter. I mean, from this particular chapter, what are the important questions? And then you go through the test, right? The whole topic test on camera in presence of invigilator. so that you know your abilities about that chapter. So that if you are making any sort of mistake, during that time only you are diagnosed, and during that time only you get a doubt removal session or art of answering and answer session. It means how to attempt and approach a particular question, what steps are involved in this, how basically is just to build up the logic for a particular question for which I am feeling trouble or I am finding it difficult. These are very, very important things which is creating a chain of learning here at TestprepKart. So for IB coaching program, wherever you are in the world, if you are not doing with the TestprepKart, you are missing on a big thing. So for more information, please send a mail to info@testprepkart.com, or please put your comment over here in the comment section. We shall get back to you quickly. Thank you.